Well, ladies and gentlemen, just want to show you everything that I've just got out of the greenhouse. These are all my pots and trays. These are the ones that got washed and cleaned the other day. See the difference compared to those there, absolutely hacky. People keep asking me why I keep cleaning them. Just want to cut down the amount of fungus and bacteria. Don't want to get powdery mildew or rust or anything in the greenhouse. So I find the best thing is just give them a soaking bleach and a good scrub, then rinse off. That's all that's done. Here's my shelves. Here's the seat I got, just left at the side of the road the other day. I was waiting for the bus. So that's perfect for. I think I'm going to cut these side bits off, so I've just got a stool there, which is nice. Then we come in here. Here we have my top. There's just a few leftover bits, but here, what I'm doing with this is cutting these two boards. This is what the mirror came in my front room. It was packaged in this, so I'm going to cut a straight line down that side, down there, probably leave it about a foot from the end, so I can just walk backwards and forwards nicely. And then I'm going to use these. These were from a pallet that a lot of roofing tiles came on, nice thick strong beams. I'm going to put one there, one at the other side, and then put some cross members just there, just to give it some extra support. And then I can start getting there. Then I can get in there to put my next window in, which is going to be great. A load of extra light then. Plus this year, I'm hopefully going to get a wood burning stove. I'm thinking about having it just there, levelling that off, and having the chute, get rid of the fan there, straight up and out the top there. So yeah, everything is going to be great. So hi Monkey, hi Paul. So first of all, I just got to just get some screws in here. You can just see that, just into the wall, into the beam. Just got round here to do, into this one, just there. That will stop this beam from moving. These uprights will also help me do that. So I shall just pause it for a minute, just get everything set up, and then start making my new bench, potting on bench. Right, here we go. So I've just drilled 4 countersunk holes. These are for the screws. So then I can get underneath and screw this. And you can see this from that side. So I need to go and get my little spirit level now. Make sure I get that nice and level. So we'll go and get that. Now that's this first one in, as you can see. Nice and solid, 4 screws in there. I actually use the spirit level on my phone. Got a Samsung Galaxy S20. So there's an app on there that you can actually use as a level. So if it's out, it's the app's fault, not mine. But yeah, that's one there. So all I've got to do now, drill 4 holes here, and then get this one, hopefully, if I can, just get that out of the way, so I can actually see what I'm doing. Sorry about this, folks. Yeah, so if I get that just here, yeah, I shall just drill 4 holes in this one and get that one fitted. Then all I've got to do then is cut straight down each side of here. I'm not going to go to the end. I'm going to leave probably 12 or 16 inches at the bottom there. So I'll probably come down to about that one there, go across, then I can get in and out. It's perfect height. I can get my stool underneath it, sit down. I think I'm going to have this side for my plants and flowers, or this side for any projects, DIY, making anything. I'm going to fit a vise to this side of it, because I do like, I bought some lock picking equipment and I've started learning how to pick locks, which I find fascinating, how you go about feeling the pins and that sort of thing. So yeah, That's what that side's going to be for. Any DIY jobs, anything like that, any hobbies, that side. And this side, potting up flowers. I have a couple of shelves with some pots and that on that side. So yeah, I'll just get this one done. I'm going to leave it for today because it's getting on a bit now. And tomorrow I'll come out and cut this. So then we'll have a nice bench with a nice gap in the middle, which will be absolutely amazing. I'm really looking forward to it. Right, a little tip here. So this is the thickness of this piece of wood here. So I don't want it going in any further than halfway. So all I'm going to do with this then is just get this here. I'm going to set this up properly on here. Just try to. All I'm going to do then is measure it like I've just done, and get yourself a little bit of tape in the middle, and just around like so. This should just help. You know, then when you're that far in, what I'm going to do here is 4 holes again. A bit hard to do this one-handed, but we'll try. As you can see here, spot on, first one done. You don't want them too near the edge because you don't want any splitting. I want to split the wood. 2 more. Another one, and then we should all stick together. What I'm going to do now is just, now I've counted something, get your fingers, put each one in, just so it's, you don't have to be solid, just so it just grips, so you can move it about without the screws dropping out. I would normally use my drill drivers for this, but because I'm one-handed, just going to put them in finger tight. That should be okay. Alright, now that's done, I'll put a bit of force on there, just a little bit in. You don't want to come out the other side, just want a couple of turns like so, just so they're not going to fall out. Like I said, with the marking of the drill, that just helped. So right, what I'll do with this now, I just put it in the other side. I want to line it up level with the piece of wood here. So I shall just do it by eye. That works out spot on that. And then I shall mark it with a screw, just scrape a line, and then I know exactly where that's going to go. Well, that's them both in now. This one here, you see that? Just need to put some piece of wood underneath that, just to get it a little bit solider, a bit firmer. Remember, that's both them put in, and then all I need to do tomorrow is cut through here. I have to be careful because there's a massive screw, because this was nailed to somebody's ceiling, this beam. I think it's supposed to be like oak beams. So yeah, get that few more screws in that one, just firm it up a little bit, and then use my Bosch jigsaw to cut a line straight down there, or straight down there, and then I've got a bit of space to get in. My fat backside, my fat belly. These are screws I've been using. Really good value for money. Anti-split fast drive. I like them because nice and thin, but they've got solid heads on them. I think these were £6 or £7 from Amazon, so really good value for 200. Dead pleased with those. Get my drill bit that's marked. So yeah, that is that done for today. Tomorrow I'll come in and set the extension cable down, and we shall get the rest done tomorrow. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, everybody. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment and I'll get back to you. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and please give me a like. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.